Our family soup is ready. This is your favorite, Kim.
I want Grandma's soup again.
Grandma moved very far away.
Is the taste gone? Forever? Sunny is sniffing for it! I can smell only a little.
Even Sunny can't find it.
Let's go taste many soups.
We can find the taste.
The soup is all gone now.
I will help you find it.
Bring Grandma's bowl with us.
Let's find that special taste.
He smells something. This way. Lead the way, Sunny.
So many soups to try here.
Maybe the soup is here. Please taste like Grandma's.
Sunny brought us inside.
Grandma's bowl will help us. Warm miso soup. Let's try.
Let me smell it first. Take a small sip, Kim. It's good, but not Grandma's. Grandma's was warmer than this.
You're right. It's different.
Well, I still love it.
Sunny smells something new. Maybe the next place. One soup down, many to go. Biscuit says not this one. Thank you. It was yummy. Okay, Sunny, lead us.
Follow that clever nose.
I hope so.
Yay, Sunny.
Not sausages, Sunny. Soup.
Good boy. Find the soup.
He's on to something. Hurry.
We will keep looking together.
We won't give up, Mom.
Soup smells coming from there.
Sunny says it's this way.
Maybe this soup is it. Please be Grandma's taste.
It smells so warm.
Here is Grandma's special bowl.
Red tomato soup. So pretty. Stir it slow, like Grandma. Grandma stirred it just like this.
Let me sip and remember. So close, but still not it. I miss Grandma so much. Don't be sad. Keep going. Let's keep looking, Emma. Sunny found a strong smell.
Quick, follow Sunny again.
Let's go! Yay, Sunny! The sky is turning gray. Sunny smells soup in there.
Maybe this one is it.
Warm soup smells in here.
Grandma's bowl is watching.
Dumpling soup. It looks warm.
Pour it into Grandma's bowl.
The bowl is warm again.
Please be Grandma's taste. It's still not Grandma's. We tried everything, Mom. The taste is really gone. I need some air outside. Maybe it's gone forever.
He went out in the rain. Maybe the soup needs us all.
I just want to be alone. You're getting wet too, Sunny. I'll sit here in the rain. Even the rain fills it.
Kim, where are you, buddy?
Stay with me, Sunny. Please. I lost Grandma's taste.
Kim?
Sunny, take us to Kim. Woof!
The taste was always us together.
It was never just the soup.
Let's go home and cook together.
But I miss Grandma too. I know who can help us. We can call Grandma!
Home and a video call.
We will make it together.
Let's cook in Grandma's kitchen.
Let's call Grandma right now. Please answer, Grandma.
Hello, my darlings. I'm here.
Grandma, I missed you.
My bowl. Let's cook together.
Now, let's make our soup. We're ready, Grandma.
Yay, soup time! I have the ingredients.
The secret was always love.
Now I understand, Grandma. Aprons on! Let's cook!
Ready? Let's make it together.
First, we pour the water.
I pour the water in.
Now add the vegetables in.
Stir it slow, like me. Okay, Grandma. Just like Grandma used to.
A little pinch of love.
Oh, you too? It's ready. It smells wonderful.
Now I pour it in Grandma's bowl.
It smells like home. Take a sip, my darling. It tastes like Grandma's.
You found it together. We did it. Yes, together.
The secret is being together. Let's share it with everyone.
Woo!
Now we share a meal together.
We're so happy you're here, Grandma.
I love this!
Me too.
This is the best soup ever.
Let's cook every week, Grandma.
Oh, I would love that, Kim. I'm always close to you.
I have everything I need.
Our family soup is back.
Good night, Grandma. Love you.
Smell, S-M-E-L-L. Kim smells the soup. Sip, S-I-P. Kim takes a little sip. Stir, S-T-I-R. Kim stirs the soup slowly. Pour, P-O-U-R. Kim pours the soup in. Share, S-H-A-R-E. Kim shares the soup.
Thank you.
Smell, sip, stir, pour, share. Great job.
From scared to eat to sharing soup.
I'm so proud of you, Kim.
Watch how it all began.